Hello everyone, welcome to Midnight Scare, your one-stop channel for all the scary and weirdest things happening in your neighborhood. Let's begin. Number 12. This video, which was shot in Burbank, California, depicts a startling hit-and-run occurrence on Chandler Boulevard.
Hit and run accident the 12th of November 22. Hit and run accident on Chandler Boulevard between Parrish and Lamer. Their car sustained passenger side damage including severe tire damage. Because I have a piece of the rim and mirrors, DM me if you have footage of a small black SUV changing their tire or had a flat in front of their house at approximately 3:15 a.m. on the 12th of November 22.
The car was damaged on the passenger side, including substantial tire damage. Number 11. A man is seen stealing gifts from a front doorstep in the Ring footage from Newark, New Jersey. Number 10. This video from New York's Bronx shows porch pirates stealing an Amazon box.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
The camera even informs the man that he is being recorded, yet the robber walks away with the package, ignorant of the message. Number 9. This video shows a man on a bicycle pacing back and forth, perhaps debating whether or not to take something from this residence before opting not to.
Can I help you? Why don't you put that shit back? I'm sure you just were. Lady, I saw you with my packages in your hand. And that camera right there just saw you too. Should I call the sheriff's office? Uh-huh. Yeah, I know where you live. Where the fire trucks always are.
Number 8. A thief steals several Christmas ornaments from this front lawn in North Hollywood, California, according to the video.
Hey, what are you doing? Hey, I got you on the ring, you. Hey, I see who you are.
Number 7. Watch this video of a woman yelling at a porch pirate.
It's my aunt. It's my aunt. I am. Your package got caught and they wouldn't go get it. Oh, thank you. You're welcome.
Number 6. For some inexplicable reason, Karen has been moaning about her neighbor's sprinkler being on.
Oh, hi, sorry to bother you, but your sprinkler out front is broken and its water is spewing out. So you either need to tell the property owner or I will unfortunately have to report you to the water district for misuse of water. So I just wanted to let you know about your sprinkler.
Number 5. The uploader of this video from Huntington Park, California, claims that around 5:50 a.m., someone stole her neighbor's car from this parking structure on the 20th of November, 2022. It's a white 2015 Kia Optima with the registration plate 8PJ F507.
Is it a push button? How do you get it started so fast?
Number 4. A man walks up to this property in Carmichael, California, where a bike stands near the garage entrance. According to the doorbell camera footage, the man gets on his bike and starts pedaling. Number 3. A doorbell camera in Tampa, Florida, captures this individual swiping parcels off porches in broad daylight. The individual then conceals the parcels beneath their clothes. Number 2. In Carmichael, California, a thief was caught trespassing on this man's property.
Something, bro?
Oh, I used to live here.
Nah, but you don't live here now, so you need to get the fuck on.
Alright.
Yeah, and don't walk back here again, bro. Take your ass on somewhere.
Stay tuned for our surprising number 1 pick. Number 1. This doorbell video shows Karen impersonating a government official in order to get her way.
Who are you? Investigator from the California State Board of Equalization.
Okay, so
So
who are
do
you
you-
looking for?
Do you own this property? Are you the owner?
Are you looking for?
I'm looking for the owner of the property.
Well, then I'm pretty sure if you're the tax fraud investigator for the state of California that you'll know how to find a property owner.
Well, if you're not the tenant on the lease, then I'm going to have the police out here and have you removed in 2 days. You understand?
You're funny.
Are you laughing at me?
You look like you're on drugs.
Unless
Are you
you-
okay?
Looks like you're on drugs.
Well, you're being recorded,
So-
I hope that you're representing
It
yourself.
doesn't matter.
You will be reported. So you're.
It
on
doesn't
video.
matter.
Well,
It doesn't
we'll see what the
matter.
police say. We'll see what the police say.
It doesn't matter. It
Well,
doesn't
what do
matter
you say?
if you're. Well, this house looks like it's got issues.
You look like you have issues.
And there's no.
Some bitch. at my door.
Okay. Oh, some bitch at your door. You got squatters here at this property, and I'm going to prove to the police that you don't own it. Okay.
You're a squatter. You're on my property. Get off of it.
Actually, you know what? I'm going to have you removed from this property in 2 seconds, and I've got your phone number out here and your son's card, and I'm going to make sure that he's doing no construction without a license.
Handle your business, bitch.
Handle your business, because this house looks
Come-
like shit.
You look like shit. Go take a shower.
You got spider webs in your lawn.
You had spider webs in your car.
You know what? Go back to doing your drugs and squat on houses that you can't afford, lady, because
Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe to our channel and smash the bell icon so you get notified whenever we post new content. Until then, stay vigilant.